what you might not know about CTE.
They do everything from basic debt repair, basic refinishing, up to structural repairs, aluminum repairs, plastic welding. We do the whole gamut. We do about 135 cars a year, live work also. So between the theory in the classroom and the hands-on, I feel they're pretty much ready to go out there.
I decided to do this program because it had collision repair and auto tech stuff. And I really grew up around working on cars and stuff like that, so that's just something I like to do. This will better prep me and prepare me for, different things in the automotive area.
The kids do well when they go out in the workplace, and all of them hold their jobs. So the retention for my students out in the workplace is like almost 100%.
I enjoy the program. It gives me a reference to work on cars and wreck vehicles. It gives me an opportunity to try something new I haven't tried before.